In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make correct and incorrect answer options using Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher looking to create a quiz or someone who just wants to test knowledge in a fun way, Google Forms offers a powerful solution that's easy to use and versatile for any subject. To begin, open your web browser and head to forms.google.com. If you haven't signed in yet, do so using your Google account. Now, click on the plus sign to create a new form, where you will have a blank canvas to start building your quiz. Start by giving your quiz a title that clearly reflects its content, something descriptive like biology quiz or world history test, so your respondents know what to expect. Once you have your form ready, you can start adding questions. For each question, make sure to choose the right question type. For quizzes, multiple choice or checkboxes are often useful, but depending on the complexity, you might want to use drop-downs or even short answers for more open-ended questions. Click on the plus button on the right side of the form to add a new question and type in your question text. Now it's time to add answer options. Start by typing the possible answers into the provided spaces. If you're working with multiple choice questions, make sure to provide only one correct answer per question. With checkboxes, you might offer questions that have more than one correct answer. Then, it's crucial to switch to the answer key mode. This step allows you to mark which answers are correct and which are incorrect. To do this, simply click on the answer key button below your question. You'll see a list of options with checkboxes next to them. Click the box next to the correct option or options. If there are multiple correct answers, select each one accordingly. In the answer key mode, you can also assign points to each question. This is especially helpful if you want to score your quiz and provide meaningful feedback to your respondents. A default score option allows you to give a certain number of points that a respondent earns for correct answers. To do this, just enter the number into the points field. Once you've set all your correct answers and allocated points, don't forget to save your work. At this point, double-check to ensure every question has the correct options selected as solutions. Reviewing ensures everything is accurate and ready for your quiz takers. Finally, share your form. You can simply click the Send button, and Google will provide you with a link to share with your learners or respondents. This link can be shared via email, social media, or embedded in a website. Be sure your settings allow respondents to see their score immediately after submission if you want instant feedback. And there you have it. You've now mastered how to create a quiz with correct and incorrect answers on Google Forms, an efficient way to assess knowledge and gather insightful responses. Thank you for watching, and happy quiz making.